Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian, or today you can call me COVID Calvin. I have got COVID again for the third time. This time I feel like I've got a huge sinus infection. I'm very congested, I got a sore throat, my ears are popping, my head feels like it's like a giant balloon. So anyways, I've already painted this piece. I painted it a few days ago, so I'm very excited about it. It's very beautiful. It turned out great. I'm doing a swipe, and so what I wanted to do, I've got a canvas that's repurposed, and so I thought I would just go ahead and paint over top of that. And I've always wanted to have a swipe on the diagonal. I could never get it quite good enough, and so this one really came out great. I'm very happy with it. So let's get you down and we'll start it. All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to repurpose a canvas that I was playing with a few months ago. I never really posted a video for it. Colors I'm using today are Arteza's Pearl Turquoise, Amsterdam's in the Pearl Green, Amsterdam in the Prussian Blue, and Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, and DecoArt in the Extreme Sheen Emerald Green. My base coat is going to be Loft Flow Acrylic in the black. Swiping today with wet paper towels. My pouring medium is 50% Floetrol, 50% GAC 800, and then my paints are mixed 3-to-1. 3 parts pouring medium, 1 part paint, a little bit of water to thin it down if it's too thick.
So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. From within, you can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh, we see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. I thought Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. I still want all of you and I know all your colors. And I guess 'cause of that I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us, us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh. Work it out. No, I know what is on your mind. I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us, us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh. Tell them to open up the gates. We are the ones that liberate. The ones that never hesitate. Hey, hey, hey. Tell them to stand up while they wait. We are the ones they want to say. The ones that never hesitate. Hey, hey, hey. On the balcony, no one else is home. I swear I drank a half bottle in less than a half hour. I swear I didn't mean to give away my power. On the balcony, and it's getting cold. Can someone, anyone, hold me? I swear I drank to have fun, not to forget. But halfway in, I noticed it was just an outlet. Anyone, anyone so alone? What's the secret to this life? I struggle to do right. Anyone, lend me a hand.
Give this a torch. All right, I'll bring you guys down so you can see this. Here we go. Now that's pretty. I've always wanted to do a swipe with an angle, and the corners are very, very hard to do, I have to say. I'm no Kathleen Osmond, that's for sure.
Anything to get some truth. Yes, I could do it all different, but what's the use? Anyone, anyone so alone? What's the secret to this life? I struggle to do right.
All right, let's see this when it's dry. I'll be right back. All right, here's the dried result. I definitely have to put some Liquitex gloss varnish on this because it's very dulled out, but that's okay. Once it gets the varnish, it's gonna really come back to life.
Every time it gets dark, anyone so alone? Tell me what's the secret to this life? I struggle to do right.
Okay, everyone, it dried great. As you saw just a few minutes ago, I'm gonna stick some gloss varnish on it. I really like this. I like the greens, I like the blues. The greens really took that green really took over. But overall, very happy with it. All right, everyone, thank you so much, and I hope everyone enjoyed the We Are Family Gay Pride collab that started today right before I went. It was a big treat. So if you haven't checked that out, I will link that playlist down in my description box. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm a little cloudy headed right now, so. All right, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.